Alright, if you got to do dishes around your house, get this Dawn Platinum Powerwash and then get a refill. Now, it's super easy to change. I'm done with the original fresh scent. Now I've just changed it to the lemon scent. You see how it works. When you spray it out, you just get foam going like crazy everywhere. Easier to use, a lot cheaper. You use a lot less than if I was to fill this big pan full of normal dish soap. And I also use this stuff in my shower, on my glass doors, on my countertops. I'll use it to wash out the sink when I'm done here. Once again, you can see it does a really good job, makes quick work of a few pots and pans without wasting really too much soap or material. So remember to just buy refills, keep your top, don't throw it away. But then it's easy to rinse off. So something I definitely use around my house. Definitely saves me time and money. So I would say get a refill pack, 6 or 8, and be good to go.